Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw Lisa Simpson while we learn Spanish. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. Very good. This is his famous spiky hair. Hair in Spanish is PELO. Let's go with the arms. That in Spanish is said BRAZOS. We draw his collar. We draw her dress. That is said, vestido. Let's go with the legs. Legs in Spanish is PIERNAS. Very good. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say necklace in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Its body is yellow, so let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Come on guys, it's looking very good. Let's go with orange. That is said, naranja. Let's see if you know the answer. Necklace in Spanish is collar. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.